Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in to your Deutsche Bank account on your phone. So make sure you already have the application on your phone. Here you can see the login option where you need to write down your branch, your account number, your sub-account and your PIN. So at the first you need to write down your branch number, likewise your 7-digit account number, your 2-digit sub-account number, likewise the PIN code. After you are done providing your information, you can also tap on Save Login ID so that the next time you log in, they won't be asking for these credentials or your information. Now after you are done writing your credential, you can simply tap on Sign In and you will be logged into your Deutsche Bank account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.